My name is Drew. I'm your Volkswagen Certified Master Technician assigned to work on your vehicle today.
Just like to do a walk around quick video inspection with you on your E-Class that you have with us today.
I want to show you a few things here I found underneath your rear tires. Passenger side rear tire is right about 530 seconds.
Second, I'd like to give you a quick look at your vehicle while I have it on the hoist. Starting with the tires, you see your rear tires are sitting at 830 seconds.
If we look over here on your CV boot, this side looks like it's in good shape, no leaks there. But next move over to the other side, and you can see there is grease starting to come out there. We are just going to advise you get a CV boot kit.
Your drive shaft bushing, the bushing itself is torn, and there's a lot of movement here. Now, as you can see, this hose here is starting to crack.
This is your brake fluid reservoir. So we always check this to see if there's any discoloration, which would mean that the brake fluid is actually broken down. This is what new brake fluid looks like, and that's what yours looks like. So your brake fluid is fine.
I want to thank you again for bringing your vehicle in for service. I do appreciate your business, and you have a great day.